Huh? The spider webs? Oh shit. Oh. Head over here. Yeah.
And we don't have to lift the fish out of the water.
Yeah. Got something, Kev. Feels nice. Hold on. It's right here. It's trout. It's trout. All right, you want a jerk bait? You want the other jerk bait?
Yeah, sure, but...
All right. All right, go grab the rod. We're gonna walk to the truck real quick. All right. We got our first trout. Nice, about 13-inch brown trout on the Euro Tackle jerkbait Z-Spender. Nice little 2-inch jerkbait. Thing's awesome for trout fishing so far. I'm gonna walk to the right. Nice. It's a little bass. Careful.
It's tiny.
Careful.
It barely hooked it. Yeah, can you hold it so I can? I want to unhook it. Ooh.
Largemouth, I think.
Ow.
Yeah.
Is that why you said careful? That was easy.
It's a largemouth.
Okay, I thought I was hooked on your rod.
Nice. Yep. Kevin got a bass. Good.
Yeah, it just popped
Sweet.
up out of the weeds.
Really?
I didn't feel anything. It just pulled on it. And
I'm going to attempt to fillet this fish. It's been forever since I filleted a fish.
Get down.
So let's see if I can do this. This would be the better way.
I hear fish. The fish. Oh, the fish is breathing. The fish is breathing. The fish is.
Okay.
Don't touch the blood.
Carlin, calm down. All right.
It goes down there.
I don't think that was too bad. There's
What?
a fillet chunk right there.
It goes down there.
Gonna get this. I'm gonna cut these Y bones out right here.
Is he breathing?
Don't.
Really bony spot. You don't want that. So we are gonna make like trout nuggets out of these. Just batter them up and then fry them for a couple minutes.
Dad, what is that these knife
Flip it over. Do the same thing to the other side.
Daddy, come here.
What about the skin?
Fish.
I'm right here.
All right. So I don't think that was too bad of a fillet. My first time in years doing that.
What's
Cut
that?
it up into some nuggets. Little trout nugs.
You can't eat it. You can't eat it. Only me. Only people can eat fish.
And clean this up, fry them up. There's the rest of the trout. I might freeze this up and save it for catfish bait.
Ooh, that actually sounds good.
I think we're gonna do that.
Come back here, puppy.
Alright, so we're gonna make some trout nuggets out of this. So here I have flour, egg mixture, I have oil heating up on the stove. So what I'm gonna do, I'm making your trout nugs. You wanna help? Okay. So I'm gonna season the flour a little bit. Some paprika. Some Italian seasoning. Mix this around here.
Well, drop some.
I dropped some. Oh no.
It's okay.
All right.
We don't need it. We got the really nice flour.
All right. So let's see if our oil is hot enough. I'm not sure yet. All right, you ready to cook some trout nugs? Yeah? All right, grab a piece of the trout. What you want to do first is put it in the flour. Get it nice and coated.
Okay.
And then you put it in the egg.
Ew!
Ew! You put it in the egg, and then, guess what? It goes back in the flour. Alright, you can do the next one, okay?
Okay.
Let's see if,
You have a lot of flour.
there we go. And one is in and it's cooking. So hurry up, let's get the next one. Get another piece.
Oh.
Put it in the flour. Make sure it's fully coated.
Okay. And then put it in the egg.
Put it in the egg.
And then put it back in flour.
Make sure it's on both sides. Make sure there's plenty of egg on there.
Okay. Put it in.
And now put it back in the flour.
That's you.
Now, fully cover it.
Fully cover it.
Yep.
Fully cover it.
Alright, now slowly drop it in the oil.
Okay.
Slowly in the oil. Slowly. There you go.
I moved the back.
Good job.
Where did I put my fingers?
Go wash them in the sink.
Okay.
I'll finish, okay?
Okay, I will wash them in this sink.
Thank you for helping.
I will wash them in this sink.
Alright, so we ready to try it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Let's do some Chick-fil-A sauce here. Here we go. Alright, who wants to try the first piece?
Me.
Alright. It might be hot. Take a little bite, okay?
Not me.
Does it taste good? Really? You like it? Good. You like it too?
Yeah.
Alright, sweet. Yeah, finish your piece, Car. You really do like it? Good. Let me try.
Yeah, I also like that.
Mmm.
Yeah, yeah.
That is pretty good. Sweet.